Thank you very much. I'm setting the timer. Hello, everyone. I'm Michele DeVido from Fossaluzza company. And as much I would like to jump straight into the topic, the first button, the right button. The right, yeah, sorry. As much I would like to jump straight into the content I would like to deliver to you today and the message I would like to deliver to you today, I cannot but mention and give you a little introduction of our product portfolio. So we have been, as you can tell from my accent and my English, I'm not from Hampstead, London, and Fossaluzza is an Italian company, 25 minutes from Venice. And we specialize our design and production activities over the last 40 years on pre-feeders, palletizers, stackers, and pallet inserters. While I'm talking to you, I'm showing to you some videos, but I will not stress that as much as possible that those are just videos. It doesn't give you the real feel of what the machine is. So all the videos looks beautiful, but you really need to see a machine working and talking with the owner if it's possible. Our core business during these decades has always been automation on palletizing pre-feeders, stackers, and pallet inserters. And we, as much as our customers, don't want to spend time on maintenance, don't want to spend time on spare parts, don't want to spend time on extraordinary maintenance. It's not our core business, and it's never meant to be. And for this reason, the only solution is to try to build with as much quality as possible. Quality within the components, mechanical quality, and that took many years of engineering and designing, and for not talking about the software part. The equipment must be reliable, and once installed and once the operator is trained, properly trained, the customer should turn on the key and the machine should run and forget about the machine. That's our core business. The product I'm showing to you are just, again, palletizer, stacker, and this is a big jumbo stackers. All products we have in our portfolio are fully customizable. We don't sell standards. That for a management point of view is a minus, definitely, because you cannot scale up that quickly in the short run. But in the long run, it gives you a lot of knowledge on the process of how a working flow should be designed, and a lot of knowledge of how the machine should be designed to endurance heavy duty, to work 24/7. This is mainly why, and we were talking about this a couple of minutes before, this is why we start from the beginning, from the very first layout with the potential customer, because we can exchange, and I call it collaboration. We can collaborate with the potential customer for months, and draw hundreds of layouts, and maybe just after 10 months it became an order. From the very first layout, we need to collaborate and to understand the customer needs and to providing the correct solution. Again, once you have a complete vision, an overview vision of the project that might not being linked to the present, but to 20 years ahead. And as I said, this is great. Of course, we deliver logistics that goes around all the machinery, all custom made, and we would love to make just conveyors, but no. These are just some installation, corrugator exit, fully automatic, controlled by supervisor system. But what I really wanted to give it to you today was an insight from our research and development. Oh, by the way, this is our last installation. The message and what I wanted to give it to you, to deliver to you, is our latest research and development on the software department. This, by the way, I forgot these 2 slides. This is our installations. In 97% of the dots, we don't have any representative. We don't have sales representative at all. This is a closer look of Europe. These are the most recent installations. And thanks, Edward Deeming, management by results is like driving a car looking at the rear view mirror. Everything is great, everything is good, but what's next? What's boiling? We have 2 targets: the full automation, the full plant automation that is achieved with 1 line operator. That is the market request, and we are achieving it through OPC-UA communication protocol that is finally the standard protocol and most advanced protocol to sending and receiving data to the machine from the office to the machine and to the machine from the office. The Ethernet connection, all our machines are connected to the internet since decades. But what happens if you combine this technology with, for example, a Google Glass? Well, you can install a machine in a country that recently just declared war to a neighbor, and you cannot send the technicians. So automated guided vehicle and laser guided vehicle is definitely something that we are providing to the market. But what I wanted to talk to you today and to give it to you is the predictive maintenance. It's actually not already out, but this is the predictive maintenance workflow we are working on. Basically, here is shown our vacuum stripper stacker for rotary die cutter. All our machineries produce a lot of data that could be vibration, temperature, air and oil pressure, kilowatts used, alarms, button pressed by the operators, hundreds of data. Imagine 24/7 shift. But these are raw data. Combined with the software, we can transform these data into smart data. What are smart data? Smart data are the same data, just order and compared to a benchmark on functionality of the machine, can give to the production manager, the maintenance manager, to the line chief, the operators, or even the forklift driver, information about the line, information about the machine, to predict in advance what could happen, or why the late night shift is underperformative, why there is a specific order or work that I cannot perform that good. The machine itself is gonna tell you. Of course, all of these could be implemented with the clouds and artificial intelligence, but we are not using it since until these 2 technology will become as much reliable as our machinery, we will not implement it. And the second innovation that we actually presented to 2023 FEFCO is innovation about the energy management. It's nothing special. It's out there in the market. We just what we do is transferring heavy loads from bottom to top, to right to left, and these produce quite an amount of kinetic energy. We can recover that energy with special inverters and special drives that are out there in the market, and I'm sure many of you already use it in their company, but without knowing it. What this was the effect? What the result of this? Well, it's like the curse in the F1 cars. You brake and you recover the energy instead of dissipating the energy through the environment. You recover the energy and you send it back to the next engine that requires that energy. I'm running out of time, so this is just the diagram, but I would like to talk to you about these technical details whenever you want. We are Fossaluzza. We are quality fanatic, truly independent, innovation-driven, and customer-focused. Thank you very much.